Service in Pueblo has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Baca County in southeastern Colorado, southeastern Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 14 miles northwest of Kenton, or 34 miles southwest of Springfield, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Numerous storm chasers report a large tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Baca and southeastern Los Animas counties. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Colorado, Baca and Los Animas.